The one won't work when the snow's this deep. You gonna walk up it or do you want Daddy to carry you? Okay. Can you go, Sophie? I think Sophie's
Oh, that's your bucket. Don't step on that. Keep walking past the
Walk
bucket.
around it. Sunglasses real quick.
Do you need to go on this side to hold it?
I want it.
So is it a hill or is it stairs?
There's stairs under it.
Yeah, there's stairs under it.
I just have to go up like this.
Okay. You just have to climb it. Did you make it? All the way. Good job. Okay, Sophie.
Driving to the golf course inside.
Yeah.
Of course, in a minute, pulling down.